Forward operations in a theatre of war are often disrupted by airstrikes or missile strikes on operational airfields. The FAUN Rapid Runway Repair System can play a key role in effecting rapid repairs and preventing foreign object damage to aircraft, getting your tactical air support operational again quickly. The first step is an aerial reconnaissance to establish and map the extent of the damage. From the map, the base commander can determine the optimum minimum operating strip and plan a repair strategy. Craters and other damage to the substrate are filled in and the material is compacted. The FAUN Rapid Runway Repair System utilises modular aluminium bomb damage repair mats. They are rapidly brought up to the site of the repair, unrolled over the repaired crater and then anchored and tensioned into position. Your tactical air support capability becomes operational again quickly and efficiently.